and welcome to the show, The Spice of Life. And today we have a very interesting subject, the common Nyanner slug. Yes, and I think if you just pay close attention, you might hear something very special. We in the science field believe that these calls are the slug looking for a mate, for some slug milkies. I do believe this little thing is hungry here as it cries out for delicious, delectable slug milkies. Oh, I think I've scared it. Oh, I can't believe I've done this. Oh, shit. Oh, would you look at that? Despite my interference earlier, it looks like the slug has found a mate, and now it's just a dance of who will relinquish their slug milkies first. Do you believe that's all we have time for today? Thank you again for joining us on the Spice of Life show. Should have something real special for you next time. Thank you very much for watching. This is Dick Chicklet signing off.